Today on Gussied Up, we're doing a new fashioned twist to an old fashioned classic. We're gonna gussy up pancakes with a little bit of brown sugar. This is a very simple recipe and it starts with 2 cups of flour, just like you do in any kind of a pancake recipe. And to that, we're gonna add in our brown sugar. This is a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That amount of baking powder is gonna make these a very, very fluffy pancake recipe without having to whip eggs and fold it in. It gives like a lot of lift to your recipe. I'll just give that a little whisk all together. What I love about brown sugar in pancakes is that it caramelizes up so well when you griddle them. It also gives you just like a little bit more flavor because of the molasses in the brown sugar. 1.5 cups of whole milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, melted, goes in, and then 1 egg. Mix all your wet ingredients together. Teaspoon of vanilla. Give all your wet ingredients a little whisk. Now, a little well into the center, and then we pour our liquid ingredients into our dry ingredients. Give it a whisk. And just kind of whisk till it comes together. It might have a little bit of lumps to it, that's okay. Okay, that guy looks perfect. Now we can cook. You have to get your pan hot. I'm using my griddle and then a scoop. That's the exact same every time. I like a 1/4 cup. I think that's a good size for a pancake. Oh yeah, 1/4 cup, looking good. This is a heaping 1/4 cup. You don't want them to cook too fast because then the centers won't be done. So getting the temperature on your griddle or in your pan perfect is key to delicious pancakes. I like a little bit of that crispy brown ring. But now sometimes what I'll do, if I'm not worried about smoking out the kitchen, is I will now drop just a little bit of butter on my griddle so they kind of sizzle around. Just around the edges so that those little edges are gonna have a little bit of that taste. Just enough to have flavor. Now, let's see which one's ready to flip. So look, you can tell he's not ready yet. See how much it like is like fallen? That means it's not done yet. See how they're starting to like hold their bubbles? So the bubble pops and it goes away. It's not done yet. But once it pops and it stays, that's when you know your pancakes are ready to be flipped. Those pancakes look really nice. Golden brown and delicious. They only need like 30 seconds on the second side because they're almost all the way cooked through. When they're done, just remove them onto a cookie sheet with a wire rack so they can cool and not steam. A little bit of butter. I'll put it in between one layer and then on the top. Okay, you have to have syrup, right? There. Stay on the butter, get back a little bit more. Now let's try a pancake. Classic, fluffy, golden brown, buttery with maple syrup. It is exactly what you expect out of the Saturday morning with that little gussied up new fashioned twist of the brown sugar for extra flavor. Oh my gosh. Look at that, look at the texture. So fluffy, so delicious. Golden brown so you get a little bit of crunch around the edges, and then the perfect texture to soak up butter and maple syrup. That's all you need for a good day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on Gussied Up, where we make new fashioned twists to old fashioned classics. Goodbye. I'm gonna eat this.